This is a Spigen phone case for the Google Pixel 7a. I paid $18 for this phone case. So 3 years ago, I got a similar branded case for my Google Pixel 4a. And I've been very happy with it, and so when I got the 7a, I decided to buy the same brand just for the 7a phone. So this phone doesn't have a lot of cutouts. We've got the two speakers, we've got the USB-C charging, we have a little microphone, camera area in the back, and then there's the buttons here on the side. There is no headphone jack on this particular phone. This cardboard box is made with 90% recycled paper. And so put this phone in, I'm just going to put the button side in first. Push that in, snap the rest around. So it fits very well. Camera slot's perfectly lined up. We got the microphone hole in the microphone, have the two speakers and the USB-C port. Buttons work very nicely through the case. So it is a thin case. It doesn't provide as much protection as a super heavy bulky case, but it definitely provides some level of protection for drops on the side. And it's raised just slightly, so if you set your phone face down, the case is what's touching, not the glass. So this is the style of case I like, and I've been very happy with this exact style of case on my previous phone for the last 3 years.